How to make tables smaller in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Yeah guys, here we are. This is my Google Docs page. I have already opened, and you can see I have inserts one table here. So there is a few way that you can manage your or customize your table size. You can make smaller or bigger, whatever you want. Okay, so first simply select the all table like this to make smaller or the cell size. Okay, we have three cell here. Just select the all table, just click into first cell, then just click and hold and drag it, then all table will be select like this. Now you can minimize the size like this. Okay, and if you want to resize your column size, then you need to just keep the cursor on any column here, then the cursor will be changed in this symbol, then click hold and just drag to the left or right, then your the size will be decrease or smaller. Okay, or simply you can minimize any column size, right click on it and go to the distribute columns, same as you can do for. Okay, and there is another way. Go to right click on it, go to the table options, and here you can see there is a lots of table option that you can change the column with raw, uh, with cell. Okay, cell vertical alignment. If you have text in the table, then you can change the alignment in cell text. You can also add color of table like border color and all. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.